At Supercheap Auto, we're super into DIY, but not everybody is. So when you CBF with DIY, hand it to Supercheap Auto to DIFY. Do it for you. From wiper blades to bulbs, batteries and more, we'll get it done. Most fitments are completed on the spot, but some require more time and a detailed touch. Give your local store a call for more information. Shopping online, enter your rego and select your vehicle, and be shown the products which fit your car. Choose Click and Collect, and the store will contact you to arrange a fitment time. Or head straight into your local store where a team member will help you get the right parts every time. From wipers, bulbs and batteries to keep you on the road to roof racks, accessories and more, we can fit it for you. DIY is super, but when you need a plan B, Supercheap Auto can DIFY. Do it for you. For more information, check out our full list of DIFY fitments and services. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.